New tonight, an update on a controversial Sacramento sheriff's policy. It's a story CBS 13 first reported on in January when the Sacramento Sheriff's Office stopped responding to certain 911 calls.
Well, a Civilian Advisory Committee gave an update on that policy, and we're getting reaction from some who say the decision goes too far.
We're very concerned.
People continuing to protest the Sacramento County Sheriff's decision to no longer respond to certain mental health calls for help.
Family members are left alone to cope with their loved ones who may be out of control.
It's been 3 months since the Sheriff's Office said it will no longer respond to 911 calls involving a mental health crisis if the person is not committing a crime, even if they have a gun or knife. The change was made in response to a federal court ruling, but some people say the sheriff's order puts public safety at risk.
Firefighters and also mental health workers cannot go into a situation if there is a weapon.
So what policy adjustments, if any, are being made?
It's a work in progress.
Paul Curtis heads the civilian-led Sheriff Community Review Commission. He says he's working to address community concerns.
We met with the undersheriff, Ziegler, and had a very good meeting with him to talk about where they're coming from this point of view, and also our concerns about the gaps in service.
He says one improvement is that 911 calls can now be directly transferred to the 988 mental health crisis line.
Those systems are working together, and they can do a warm handoff and transfer the calls over.
And there could be more changes coming. The undersheriff is scheduled to appear before the committee May 27th to answer questions about what they're doing to make sure the public is still protected.
The question is this window dressing to respond to all the pressure and the lawyers who probably have told them that what they were doing is illegal, because it was.
The committee says of California's 58 counties, only Sacramento and Del Norte counties sheriffs have made this type of change to emergency response.